Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the 4th class math lecture number 6. Today's our concept is like fractions. If you open your books to page number 59, lesson number 6 says that we have to make like fractions from the given fractions. Now what are like fractions? The fractions with common denominator are called like fractions. Fractions. Like the first one given here, 3/15 and 5/15. Now the numerator are different, like 3 and 5 are not the same values, but 15, both of these has 15 as a denominator, which makes them like fraction. Now I have written here some of the fractions which are not like fractions, but we have to make them. Like the first one here says 2/6 and 3/18. Now if we have to check whether the 18 is a multiple of 6 or not. If it is, then we can make them like fractions. Otherwise we have to find their LCM to make them like fractions. Luckily 18 is a multiple of 6. Like if we multiply 6 with 3 and 2 with 3, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same value. Now 2 3s gives us 6 and 6 3s are 18. So both of these fractions are now with the common denominator. That makes them like fraction. The other one here says 7/4 and 8/16. Now we know that 16 is a multiple of 4. So if we multiply 4 with 4 and 7 with 4, we get 7 4s are 28 and 4 4s are 16, and the other fraction was already with the denominator 16. Now these are like fractions. The other one here says 1/2 and 3/20. We have to multiply 2 with 10 and 1 with 10 too. It gives us 10/20 and 3/20. Now these are like fractions. Use this concept to solve the question number 6 of exercise, let me check, it is 3A. And until next video, Allah Hafiz.